Let's take a look at this question where we are involving some computation. Temple Corporation exchange in equipment with an appraised value. When say appraised value, it means the fair market value or market value of this asset of $60,000, original cost of $52,000, and received from Chester Corp equipment with a fair value of $64,000. Under US GAAP, how much is the gain on the exchange for Temple Corp, assuming the transaction has commercial substance? So what they're telling us here is the transaction has a commercial substance, and how much do we calculate of the gain? So how much, simply put, how much is the gain? What is commercial substance? Commercial substance means the future cash flow from this transaction will change, and the riskiness of that future cash flow will change. So you're in a new position. Well, first, do we know how to compute a gain? Okay, how do you compute a gain? You compute a gain by taking your, so for example, if you sell something to an outside party, what do? Is you take your proceeds minus the book value. This is what you do. So the proceeds usually represent the fair market values. Here the proceeds, you're not selling it, you're exchanging it, but if you sell it, you can get $60,000. Now, they are telling you the original cost is $52,000. They're not telling you it has any accumulated depreciation. So if the original cost of $52,000 with no accumulated depreciation, it means the book value is $52,000. So minus $52,000, you have a gain of $8,000. That's not enough. The question is, how much of the gain? How much is the gain? The gain is $8,000. Therefore, the answer is B. How much is the gain? The gain is $8,000. And since it has commercial substance, we are going to recognize the gain. So the gain is also recognizable. So we have to be very careful that the gain is recognizable, okay? Because it has commercial substance. And those are the rules that I cover in my course on farhatlectures.com. I cover specific details with many examples, okay? So notice we don't care about the fair value of the other asset to compute our gain. Just we look at, if we sold it, we'll get 60. Our cost is 52. Here the cost is also the book value because we are not given accumulated depreciation. So they're keeping it simple.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.